Welcome to sequence lesson number 3. You are going to be doing lesson number 3 if you got less than 5 on your quiz. So if you scored a 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, then you are in the right spot. Please make sure you start by putting your name and today's date on the top of your paper. Let's look at the notes for determining sequence. To identify sequence, look for the order in which events happen. Let's write that in. As you read, identify the beginning, the middle, and the end. Look for words that signal the sequence of events in each part. Events do not always appear in the order that they happen. As you read, keep in mind that the events may appear out of order. Let's go ahead and write that in. So again, events do not always appear in the order that they happen. As you read, keep in mind that events may appear out of order. You can use graphic organizers to help you identify the sequence of events. Write the first event in the first box. Continue to write the events in the order in which they happen. Think about it. Read the paragraphs below. What happens when the shepherd meets March? One spring morning, a shepherd met March, who greeted him saying, "Where will you be taking your sheep today?" "Today we shall go to the mountains," exclaimed the shepherd. Okay, so let's go ahead and put in the graphic organizer the sequence of events. First, the shepherd meets March. So we can see that that's in the beginning. One spring morning, a shepherd met March. Next, what happens? March greeted him saying, "Where will you be taking your sheep today?" Let's put that in the box. March greeted him and asked where he was taking his sheep. Last, what happened? "Today we shall go to the mountains," exclaimed the shepherd. So we can say the shepherd responded by saying they would go to the mountains. Okay. Once you have those notes done, you're ready to move on to use a strategy. The strategy that we're going to look at here is summarize. When you summarize, you restate the most important parts of what you read. Let's write that in. Remember that when you summarize, you restate the most important parts of what you read. As you read, think about the parts of the text that are most important. Let's write that in. After you finish, restate what you read, leaving out details that are not important. If you cannot restate what you read, reread the parts you did not understand. Once you have all of your notes complete, you're ready to turn your paper over. On the back, you have a reading to do. It says read the passage. Use the notes on the side to help you. Then answer the questions on the next page. So you're going to do your reading and answer your questions independently. If you need to come back and find out what to do next, please push pause and come back to the video. Go ahead and hit pause and do that now. Once you finish with lesson number 3, you can come to your tracker and check it off right here. If you did not, this shouldn't be here. This was if you passed the quiz. So you're here because you did not pass the quiz, which is okay. You just need a little extra help. So we did lesson 3, and you should check that off now. Now you're done with this lesson cycle. So you may move on to choose a new topic that's available. Make sure that the lesson number 1 is in orange on your computer. That means that it is available to watch a video lesson on.